The internal investigations by my executive staff and myself are complete.
The verdict, no further punishment directly related to the DOJ's findings, will be handed down.
What was your cross on Westwood?
Northumberland. Can I see your hands, please? Thank you. Is it just you in the vehicle? Okay, with your right hand, can you roll all your windows down for me, please?
There is no law that states you have to roll down your back windows to make an officer feel safe. You don't even have to speak to him. You don't have to answer questions regarding your destination, etc. You can do so voluntarily, but the law does not state that you must.
Do what? No, the back ones too.
What's the problem, officer?
Just all of them. I'll explain in just a minute, sir. Are they rolling down all their windows?
They messed up.
Do what?
They're messed up.
Oh, okay, okay. You guys are good. Just quit moving around, okay? Yeah. Perfect. You back here, put your hands on the headrest. Perfect. And then you're good right there. You can relax, man. You can put your hands back in. Man, I'm Officer Norman, the Louisville Metro Police. The reason I'm stopping you is you've got a headlight that's out. Okay? Not a big deal. I just want to stop and make sure everything's all right, okay? Did you just forget about it, or?
I didn't know it was out really, but well,
Okay.
It was going in and out, but
Oh, okay, okay. So it must just be completely out, man. Not a big deal, you know. You got your driver's license on you. Thank you, sir. Mr. Brown, do you still live at 40? Okay. Do you have your proof of insurance on you?
I don't.
You do not?
But I have it.
Okay, you do have insurance on the vehicle? Okay, do you have the registration? I mean, is there anything crazy in the car? Weapons, drugs, bombs, dead bodies? Okay. Front passenger, do you have an ID on you, sir?
Passengers are typically not required to show identification during a routine traffic stop. Passengers generally have the right to remain silent and are not obligated to provide identification unless law enforcement has a specific reason to request it, such as suspicion of criminal activity.
Do you mind if I get it, please?
Why you need his ID?
He doesn't have to give it to me right now this
You
time,
don't need your
but
ID, bro. I mean, I'm the one here. You ask questions. Got a headlight out.
thank you very much. Much appreciated. Okay, so you are from Ohio? Or you bought this?
My wife lives.
Okay, cool. Okay. Okay, hang tight for me just a minute, okay? So for the video, once my partner gets here, I'm going to have all the, at least the driver, probably the back passengers as well, step out of the vehicle. There's open alcohol containers. I see the beer in the back seat, as well as the fact that the driver's breath has the strong odor of an alcoholic beverage on it. So, you know, just gonna check all that out and make sure everything's all right. Okay, solid. Man, my camera's on, but just for the tape, I'm letting you know. Walked up to the car, see alcoholic beverages in the back seat, reeks of some sort of alcoholic beverage. The driver's eyes have a glazed look to them, and his breath smells like an alcoholic beverage. So whenever you get here, we're going to go ahead and get them all out and get them to the back of the car and probably do a SFSTs and look through and make sure there's nothing else going on. There's a back passenger on the passenger side, and then there's a driver and a front passenger. The driver seems kind of agitated, but like I said, reeks of alcohol, and there's all the alcohol in the back seat. So, plus as I was walking up, buddy. So I was walking up, they were reaching around all over the place. So I don't know exactly what's going on. They might just be trying to hold alcohol. So, I mean, we have that going on. We've opened alcohol containers, plus the fact of the furtive movements inside of the vehicle. So I'll get the driver out, and then we'll just work from there.
Moving around within your vehicle, such as reaching for something, adjusting your position, or even looking for your identification, is considered inherently suspicious to law enforcement during a routine traffic stop. Police officers don't understand that people may need to reach for documents, adjust their seating position, or perform other natural movements while in a vehicle. They will also word it in their report to make it look as if you are guilty of a crime for moving. They call it combative and non-compliance.
Mr. Brown, do you mind stepping out of the vehicle for me, please? Do what?
Am I being arrested?
No. I'll explain it all once you get out, sir. All right, sir. Just turn away from me as you get out. This way, towards the front, towards the front. Walk back this way. Hands on the vehicle. Hands on the vehicle. Thank you, sir. You got anything on you?
No.
Nothing's gonna poke me, stick me, harm me?
No.
Okay, no weapons or anything?
No, why am I?
Okay, so sir, the reason why I'm getting you out of the car is because I smelled a strong odor of an alcoholic beverage coming from your breath, from the vehicle. You have a glazed look to your eyes, and I see all the open alcohol that's inside the vehicle, okay? So I'm getting you out, and we're going to get the 2 passengers out, okay, just to make sure that you're not driving while intoxicated or anything like that, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to search, make sure everything's all right. If you got nothing on you, okay? Have you been drinking a little bit tonight, sir?
I had some beers.
Okay. Man, not a big deal. You had some beers. You know, we're not the beer police or anything. All right, cash, just showing you. I'm putting it back in your pocket.
Just sit tight for him. Stop playing with that jacket, okay? And I live right there at the corner, bro.
Oh, you do? Okay. Man, if everything checks out, you know, you're being cool with me, I'll be cool with you, and hopefully we'll just, you know, get you out of here, get you on your way, okay? But like I said, smelling the alcohol and stuff. Were y'all smoking a little marijuana too? Now that I've gotten you out, I smell a little bit of marijuana. Okay. Is there any marijuana in the vehicle? Okay. Yes, Warren, put it back in here. Sir, I appreciate your cooperation. Like I said, I know this is an inconvenience, but we'll get you out of here as soon as we can, okay?
Never answer questions. Remain silent. Let them have their fun. Then start requesting the dash cam, body cam, public complaint file, disciplinary record, any Garrity warning form the officer may have signed during his employment, meaning he was the topic of an investigation and was questioned. You can get that. Request their image on file, Axon body cam, audit trail, and personnel file. Hold them accountable for their actions.
Cash, put it back in your pocket. You work at... Okay. How long you been there? 8 years? Okay. Spread your feet for me, please, sir. Thank you. Sorry, I know it's uncomfortable, but we found people holding guns right there before. Step on back here with me. Gibson, do you mind hanging with him? Just sit right there on the bumper of your car. Mind hanging with him, Gibson? Thank you. You mind watching this back guy? I'm gonna get the front passenger out. Just this guy right here. You just put your jacket down, sir. Just sit down. Is there anything in the car, sir, that I need to be worried about? No weapons or drugs, no guns, no bombs? Okay. Can you step out of the vehicle for me, please, sir? You all right? You got it? Turn away from me as you step out. This way. Okay. You got eyes on him. Okay. Nothing on you, sir? No. Nothing that's going to poke me, stick me, harm me? Okay. I'm going to check, all right, sir? Okay. So I'm just explaining to you what we're doing. Walking up to the vehicle. I'm just going to sit your phone right here, okay? Walking up to the vehicle, had the strong odor of an alcoholic beverage. No big deal. You know, we're just trying to make sure everything's all right. As well as the smell of marijuana. Okay? So, again, marijuana and alcohol, that ain't the worst thing that's ever happened, you know? So if everything checks out, we'll get you guys out here and get y'all on your way, okay? Oop. I know it's invasive, man, but you never know, you know? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Do you have an ID on you? I didn't see it. You can step on back to the back of the vehicle with me here. You can just sit down right there on the bumper next to him. On the back seat, at the very back here. Thank you, Weldy. Hop on out for me, sir. Turn away from me as you step out. Perfect, just like that. Oh, you all right? Step on back this way. Go ahead and place your hands on top of the car. Okay, is there anything on you, sir?
Absolutely.
Nothing's going to poke me or stick me or harm me?
Pack of cigarettes in my
Okay.
pocket.
Okay, man, if that's it, we'll get you out of here, okay? Okay, cool. So did you hear me explain to him what's going on?
Yeah.
Okay. So smell of marijuana and alcohol and stuff. Have probable cause to search you guys as well as everything in the vehicle, okay?
I
No big deal. You guys just out having a good time?
I'm just here from Ohio. Returning the house. It's got downtown to cut fire.
Oh man.
I'm just driving.
What where in Ohio are you from?
Never answer questions. This cop has no plans of bringing anything for Sunday dinner. He wants to wreck the man's life. Remain silent at all times, and always make it verbally known you do not consent to searches and seizures despite the legal nonsense and cops-plaining offered by the cop. Never, never, never.
Okay. Cedar Point. Isn't that like a, yeah. Okay. Put this cash back in here.
That's only $3.
Spread your feet for me. Thank you, sir. All right, step on back to the back. Sit down next to them. If you don't mind, can you kick your shoes off? One at a time, man. Just one at a time. I know it's crazy, but we found guns and knives and cocaine and you name it in shoes, so.
Knives and cocaine and you name it in shoes, so.
That's good. It's good. Let me see your left foot. Right foot. Make sure. Left foot. Right foot. Thanks, sir.
Man, I appreciate y'all being cool as y'all have been, though.
Man, I appreciate y'all being
For real shit.
for real. You guys have been
Like I said,
awesome.
we live right around the corner.
Okay. Man, so basically what's going to happen now is probable cause to search the whole car, okay? If you work with me, I'll work with you, man. We're chill. Is there anything in the car you want to tell us about? No guns or anything? Okay, no surprises?
Ain't no guns in the car, bro, but shit, I refuse to search to my car.
Huh?
I said there ain't no guns or nothing in there, but I refuse to search on my car.
Okay, so I probable cause to search the whole car, okay? So that's what I'm saying. I'm giving you all the opportunity. If there's something in there, we're all super chill, man. We don't like going to jail.
If that's the case, then I mean, I have no rights, basically. What you're telling me. Right?
Do I? No, you absolutely have rights, sir. But when we have probable cause is established case law that then we have probable cause to search. Once we gain probable cause, we are then able to search all the occupants of a vehicle as well as the entire vehicle. So that's why I'm giving you all the opportunity just to come forward with what's in the car. Because the way you're speaking right now, huge light bulb to us that something's in the car.
I understand what you're saying.
Is there a gun in the car,
No,
sir?
there's not no gun.
Okay. What kind? Is there narcotics in there?
No, there's no narcotics.
Okay.
But I got some marijuana.
Okay.
You want me to give it to you?
No, man. I'll hop in there and get it. Where's it located?
I don't really know.
Okay. I'll find it, man. We ain't the weed police, okay? So you three just hang out back here. I'm gonna hop in there. Yeah, if you don't mind. And then do you mind getting their information? These two guys. I have Mr. Brown. Huh?
I said, if you're going to tear my car apart, yeah, there's some weed in my car.
Okay, just weed though?
It's only weed.
Okay. All right. Man, we appreciate you being cool, okay? We'll get this out of here.
Yeah. I ain't going to say that either, but I mean, I got the weed in my car. It's my weed. My personal weed.
What's going on? You said there's a pound of weed?
There's a pound in there. He's not sure where. I said there's a nice big bag of weed.
Man, if you just tell me where it is, then we don't have to tear it up. Because we basically said, no, I don't want you to hop in there. We don't want to get the dog out here. Dogs have a tendency to mess up cars. I know. So that's what I'm saying is,
Hey, where is it? I think it's gone.
don't hop back in there.
I honestly don't know.
Is it in the backpack? Is it?
I had some weed.
Okay, and you don't know where it is?
I don't know where it's
Guys, one of y'all just tell me where it is.
Bro,
'Cause
if you let me look in there, I'll look in
I
there.
can't let you hop back in the car. Okay, well, you guys just hang tight then, and I'll find it. Who said that? Oh, hey, what's up, man? Hey, Jew, what's up, dude? Man, so he said there's probably about a pound of weed in here. And
In that bag.
I don't know if it's in here. Yeah, this is it. But that's the thing, they're being super shady about. The moment I said gun, he was kind of like, no, there's no gun. So, oh, nice. That's pretty. Okay. No, just the marijuana, and then I'll talk to the driver, see, I might just kind of run through something real quick, see how he's doing, and if I feel like he needs to do a whole thing, I will, but he's talking fine and everything, so. All right. Did we get all their information?
I think Robbie got it. These guys ain't had nothing to do with it, bro. It's all
Huh? This is all yours? Okay. Man, you ain't going to jail, nothing like this. This isn't, it's marijuana. Like I said, we ain't the weed police, man. We ain't worried. Is marijuana killing people?
Bro,
No.
like I said, that's why I wanted to be honest.
Yeah, and I appreciate it. I do appreciate it. Man, I'm going to read you something real quick, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in court. You have the right to an attorney before making any statement. If your attorney with you during questioning. If you cannot afford an attorney and desire one, the court will appoint one for you. You may stop the question at any time by refusing to answer further or by requesting to consult with your attorney. Do you understand each of these rights I've read to you? Okay. With these in mind, you want to talk to me? With those in mind, you want to talk to me? Like you just told me before I read you those that all the marijuana was yours.
Yeah, I ain't got. These guys have nothing to do with
Okay.
nothing.
Okay.
That was my marijuana.
Okay.
And like I said, man, we just come to work on a house.
Okay.
Man, wanted to bring some weed for us to smoke.
Man, I
We did it for a
understand.
week,
Oh,
or
absolutely.
a little more than a week. Actually,
Yeah,
the house
yeah.
fucking burned down.
Man, so here's what's gonna happen.
We just had it.
Right. I'm gonna cut you a ticket, okay, and then you'll get a court date. Just make sure you make your court date, okay, and you'll be on your way. So, marijuana in Jefferson County, honestly, dude, it's not really anything to worry about. They'll probably make you plead to something, give you a fine. So just make sure you make court so you don't get a stupid warrant, okay?
Right.
So y'all three just hang tight right where you are. I'll write it up as quickly as I can. I'll get y'all out of here, okay? Gentlemen, thanks a lot for y'all's cooperation, for real. I got you a court date. It's pushed out to, sorry, hold on, give me just a second. August 3rd at 9 a.m., okay? 600 West Jefferson, all right? Man, yeah, so just show up, man, and then they'll kind of walk you through it. There's this right here. Here's your ID. Y'all have a safe night tonight, okay? Man, I left the beer right out right here. Huh?
At least have a blunt to take home, 'cause I know y'all be scared.
Y'all be safe, all right? Yep. Hold on, I'm going to off.